Day one, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in with some really brief technical details on the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. I know a lot have questions as far as why is Dogecoin going down. I'm going to see if I can shed some light to let everyone know that how everything is looking. So we're going to get into that in those details in this video. Can't talk. All right, so if you're just joining us, welcome in. Consider hitting the subscribe button if you find any valuable information in the video as we go along here. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel due to your engagement, your appropriate thumbs. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and not waste time and dive right into this Dogecoin cryptocurrency to see if everything is still looking as it should. So let's get started, shall we? All right, so today's February the 15th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 5.4 cents. It's down approximately 12.5% for the day. Okay. There's actually a new line I'm going to introduce. For those of you who are just stopping in, hopefully we're going to leave links and just kind of keep you guys up to speed. But here's what we've been following. Okay, that's it. A little bit messy than what we're normally used to. The overhead line, this white line here, I'm gonna explain. But the first thing that I want to let everyone know is these are 12-hour candles, and it appears that the buyers are stepping into this market. I do realize that it says 13% down on the screen, but to the average person, that probably looks really bad. But to someone who has a keen eye and understands that the market is in a position where the buyers are potentially stepping in here, this appears to be a buy-in opportunity. Now, the reason that I say that, and of course, this isn't financial advice, by the way, just to let everyone know, excuse me. What we do is we pay attention to the wicks below the candles' bodies. For some of you who just don't understand about like technical analysis or candlesticks and everything, what we're looking at is, again, 12-hour candles. And I don't know if you can actually see, I'm pointing at a wick just below this candle, and that represents buying interest coming into the market as they're pushing the price. As the price is trying to go down, the buyers are actually pushing the price back up, saying, no, you can't go down here. We're actually interested in this range, and as long as you push the price down here, we're going to continue to buy and push the price up. So essentially what I'm saying is this 12-hour candle has approximately 3 hours and 45 minutes to close. I don't know if you can actually see that. I'm kind of pointing over here. There's a timer going down. So 3 hours and 42 minutes. Right now it's about 3:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, February the 15th, 2021. So in 3 hours and 42 minutes, we'll know whether or not this is going to act as a support line right here on this green line. Again, 5.5 cents is the only number, that I'm waiting to see if Dogecoin can hold support above this level. Okay, so hopefully we'll give you guys an update soon, just to see if everything's looking good in the charts, or looking as they should, right? Because remember, Dogecoin is perfectly confined in an uptrend, and that's all we're looking for. We're looking for higher highs, higher lows. I realize we did discuss that this is a bearish pattern for those of you just stopping in. This rising wedge pattern is what it's called. The sellers have successfully broken down below this pattern at the lower support line. So it's their obligation to follow through, meaning that they need to break the price down and follow through and meet their technical target here at about 2.7 cents. I'm not saying that's actually going to happen. What I'm saying is, if they do not follow through with their obligation to meet this target down here at the red line at a relatively, I'm not sure how soon it has to happen. I think I did leave out with you guys saying that it needed to happen within 72 hours. I think we're on the third day right now. So the sellers are running out of time. If they're going to break the price down, they actually need to do it within, I'd give it another 48 hours or at least another 72 hours for them to follow through with their obligation. Remember, their obligation is to push the price down again at 2.7 cents. If the buyers sense that I feel like I'm repeating myself here. I'll just repeat it one more time and close it out. If the buyers sense that the sellers cannot break down below this 5.5 cents and follow through with their obligation to break the price down, yeah, again, as we explained in the other video, it's probably going to rip to the upside or explode in their faces, so to speak. And the white line overhead represents the 8.8 cent level. I already have confirmation that whenever the downwards pressure, this retracement is finished, this area is already clear to go to and possibly even through the level overhead at about 8.8 cents. Now, one other thing that I want everyone to know is that, let's get rid of this line here. I'm not sure how long it would take for it to return back above overhead rather at 8.8 cents. But again, as long as the markets or the buyers and the sellers, remember this is just buyers and sellers, don't look at it as numbers. When the buyers and sellers finally agree on a price, or a value rather, I don't like calling it prices, or it's a cryptocurrency, right? When they agree on a specific level, that's when they'll actually turn this price around and of course push it back to the original direction, which is currently to the upside. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I guess this all could have been summed up into like 15 seconds. Watch for the 5.5 cent level, and that's all we're waiting on. So hopefully we'll stop in and give you an update within 12 hours, and just to make sure everything is looking good. You may have to give it a little bit more, like I said, up to 72 hours. Up to that time, we're just going to kind of give it some more time. The price needs time to mature. The only thing that's going on right now is the price is going down and buyers are stepping in. That's essentially what's going on. That's the reason why you're not seeing like a nasty move to the downside, because that would be like some sort of a warning sign that not a lot of people are actually holding on to their assets. But I think the Dogecoin army, a lot of people are actually holding their assets, and no one's really selling back into the market, which is a good sign, right? This is what the markets need in order to continue this trajectory, which is clearly to the upside to me. So yeah, let's cut it out here. I'm going back and forth, guys. 5.5 cents, that's the level. Set like an alarm or alert or something like that. I don't know if you guys are actually looking at charts, but that's the level. Let's just kind of peek over. Yeah, it's actually at 5.5 right now. So everything looks fine to me. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Is everything okay? Are you guys still buying Dogecoin? Just let me know down to get a discussion going in the comment section. I'm going to cut out here. Thank you for your time. Be sure to leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you find any value in the content here. And of course, let me know if you guys also, before you go, we covered the traditional markets. I'm not sure if you guys are into stocks, but of course, subscribe, hit the bell with us. We'll send you that information. We cover it 7 days a week, so we'd love for you to join us here, okay? So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. Execute your strategies, and bye for now.